In today's cooking world, non-stick frying pans are seeing growing demand as home chefs seek ease, reliability, and performance. Whether you're scrambling eggs, searing meat, or tossing veggies, a good non-stick skillet can make all the difference. This guide evaluates 5 top-rated pans, considering coating safety, heat distribution, build quality, durability, and oven compatibility to help you choose the right one for your kitchen.
List number 1. Sensart Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet. The Sensart Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet is a budget-friendly pick that doesn't compromise on safety and performance. Its surface features a Swiss iLag nonstick coating that's SGS approved, PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, lead, and cadmium-free, making it a healthier choice for everyday cooking. Constructed from cast aluminum, the pan heats up quickly and evenly thanks to its induction-compatible stainless steel base. The body is sturdy, yet not overly heavy, making it easy to handle. The Bakelite handle has a wood grain design that stays cool on the stovetop, and it's oven safe up to about 302 degrees Fahrenheit. A tempered glass lid, on deeper versions, allows you to monitor cooking without losing heat. Cleaning is particularly simple. Thanks to the rivet-free interior, food slides right off and you can just wipe or rinse clean. While the coating is quite effective, it's still a non-stick surface, so care with metal utensils or high heat is advisable to prolong its life. For its price, safety profile, and performance, this skillet is a great choice for health-conscious cooks who don't want to spend a fortune.
List number 2. Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick 10-inch Frying Pan with Tempered Glass Lid. The Hexclad Hybrid 10-inch frying pan is a premium, high-performance skillet that blends 3 materials: stainless steel, aluminum, and a proprietary non-stick surface called TerraBond. This signature design features a laser-etched hexagonal pattern. Raised stainless steel ridges surround non-stick valleys, allowing for both searing and easy release. Underneath, the pan has a tri-ply construction: stainless steel, aluminum, stainless steel, which promotes fast, even heating and strong induction compatibility. The tempered glass lid lets you keep an eye on your food and is oven safe up to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the pan itself is oven safe to a remarkable 900 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the biggest advantages of this pan is its durability. It's metal utensil safe, dishwasher friendly, and built to last. Hexclad also offers a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects, though commercial use is excluded. On the flip side, the hybrid design means it doesn't behave like a slick Teflon pan. A small amount of oil helps to fully realize its non-stick capabilities. While it's a more expensive option, the Hexclad 10-inch fry pan is ideal for cooks who want versatility.
List number 3. Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick 8-inch Frying Pan. If you want the same hybrid strength and non-stick performance in a more compact footprint, the Hexclad Hybrid 8-inch Frying Pan is a smart pick. It features the same stainless steel TerraBond hexagonal surface for searing and easy food release, but in a smaller, lighter, and more agile form. Pans reviews. Its tri-ply construction with an aluminum core ensures rapid heat up and even temperature distribution, and like the 10-inch model, it supports induction cooktops. Pans reviews. The pan is also dishwasher safe and can take metal utensils, adding to its ruggedness. Hexcladlife.com. Oven safety is equally impressive. 900 degrees Fahrenheit for the pan itself, with the tempered glass lid rated for up to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Hexcladchef.com. The lifetime warranty also applies, giving you confidence in its long-term value. Pans reviews. Because of its smaller size, the 8-inch model is particularly suited for single-serve cooking, quick sautéing, or making eggs or small stir-fries. However, its non-stick performance may feel slightly less slick than classic non-stick pans, and some users mention needing to use a hint of oil. Still, for everyday versatility in a compact package, this pan is a top-tier hybrid. TheSun.com.
List number 4. Allclad HA1 Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set, 2-piece. The Allclad HA1 Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set includes an 8-inch and a 10-inch pan, offering both precision and capacity in one bundle. Amazon. These pans are built from hard anodized aluminum, giving them strength, durability, and resistance to warping. Couponpack.com. Each pan has a 3-layer PTFE-based nonstick coating, which All-Clad says provides long-lasting food release. Prudent reviews, +1. The base is bonded with stainless steel, which not only improves heat distribution, but also enables induction compatibility. Prudent reviews, +1. Prudent Reviews notes that while the pans are quite thick, about 4 millimeters, they heat a little slower than the thinner nonstick options, but this contributes to their robust build. Prudent Reviews. One downside, some users find the original HA1 handle shape uncomfortable. Prudent Reviews. Also, while the coating is durable, it's still non-stick, so using metal utensils or high heat can shorten its lifespan. Couponpack.com. That said, the set delivers premium construction and long-term value, particularly for those who want reliable non-stick performance across 2 sizes.
Number 5. Tremontina Professional 12-inch Non-Stick Large Frying Pan. The Tremontina Professional 12-inch non-stick frying pan is a go-to for large batch cooking. Its 12-inch diameter gives you ample space to fry for a crowd or prep big meals. Built from heavy-gauge aluminum, it features a reinforced 3-layer Starflon T3 nonstick coating for durability and strong food release. One of its standout features is the removable soft grip silicone sleeve on the handle, which makes it comfortable on the stovetop and removable for the oven, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The body is sturdy, and the stainless steel riveted handle provides good balance and control. Cleaning is easy. The non-stick surface wipes clean, and it's dishwasher safe, which simplifies maintenance. According to Tremontina's spec sheet, the coating is abrasion resistant, helping it withstand regular use. On the downside, some user reports note that despite the reinforced coating, scratches can still appear, especially with metal utensils. For a large, affordable, and kitchen workhorse nonstick pan though, this Tremontina model offers excellent value, space, and performance. Final thoughts. If safety and low price are your priority, the Sensart skillet is a top pick. For a high-end, durable, and versatile option, the hex-clad hybrid pans deliver a unique combination of searing strength and non-stick convenience. Meanwhile, the all-clad HA1 set offers premium build quality in 2 sizes, and the Tremontina 12-inch gives you maximum surface area for bigger meals. Choose based on your cooking style, heat sources, and how much you're willing to spend. All of these pans are capable and well-reviewed.